What's up YouTube, Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you to turn on or off optional features in Windows 11. Without further ado, get into it. Alright, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to do is come down to the Windows search bar and type in settings. Once you type in settings, go ahead and click on it. Once you click into settings, all you're going to do is come up to the top left to the search bar and type in optional. Once you type in optional, you're going to see optional features. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see all the optional features already installed on your computer. For me, I have Notepad installed, OpenSSH client. But if you want to add new optional features, all you got to do is add an optional feature up here at the top and then click on View Features. And then you're going to see a bunch of different optional features you can add to Windows, a bunch of different fonts, some Azure stuff, and then something that's very big that a lot of people like to add to their Windows is RSAT tools. So the main thing that people look for is Active Directory domain services and lightweight directory services tools. This is going to add things like users and computers, group policy, DHCP, DNS to your computer so that you can access your domain controller. But you go and click on that, and then you click next, and then you click add. Once you do that, it's going to take a little while, and then you're going to have those tools available to you on your Windows computer. But that is how you add optional features in Windows 11. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.